Whipped massage gel is a great alternative to heavier creams, lotions, and massage oils. If you're looking for a lightweight alternative, we've got it. Let's get making. Okay, to make your whipped massage gel, of course, you'll need a few ingredients. You'll need to start with lavender gel, which we make and sell right here at Essential Wholesale, rosehip seed oil, jojoba oil, evening primrose oil, finally, where all the magic happens, the muscle essential oil blend. You'll also need equipment. You'll need a beaker or a pot to mix in, and a good immersion blender or stick blender. So, to get started, all we need to do is take our lovely lavender gel, which is pre-made and preserved and ready to accept additions. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So we'll just get all of that gel into our beaker. And then we'll simply add all of our other ingredients. Okay. Finally, rosehip seed. And then, of course, the muscle EO blend. Okay, so it's very simple to do. You simply stick your immersion blender in there, and I would start on a low speed just in case. You don't want all of this stuff to go flying out of your beaker. So this is the whipping part, in case that wasn't clear. Once we start mixing oils into a gel, it'll become kind of cloudy. And as we mix, we're whipping air into the product, which makes it nice and fluffy. So it's okay to really get in there and be aggressive with the mixing. I have this mixer now at about 3/4 power, and it looks pretty well mixed. I'm just gonna give it one more zap. And that looks beautiful. So this gel is one of my favorites. It combines the lavender with the muscle EO blend is just beautiful. It's really, oh my gosh, I don't know how to describe it, but it's absolutely lovely for massage. This is great for pre-workout, for post-workout, for any time your muscles are feeling tired and need a little relief. The nice thing using it pre-workout is that it starts to activate as you sweat. So you'll start to feel the activity of the muscle essential oil blend as you start to sweat in your workout. So the massage gel starts as a clear gel, and then as we add our oils and whip it, it becomes cloudy and beautifully white. As you can see, that's kind of what it looks like. It's very lightweight and non-greasy with only 3% oils added. It's still skin nourishing, still has enough slip to work as a massage gel, but lightweight, and you can leave it on your skin without feeling like you're covered in oil. You can find all of the ingredients and the recipe by clicking the More button directly below this video. You can purchase the kit, which includes all of the ingredients that you need to make your first pound of this whipped massage gel. Thanks for joining us, and happy making.